Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing Merch by Amazon update number 58. Alright, so it's been quite a while and I finally have some updates for you guys. The reason why I don't do these videos as often as I used to is a bunch of different reasons. So I said way back that I only wanted to create these videos when I have like good actual updates for you guys, because the process actually got pretty repetitive, finding designs, researching designs, getting them created, uploading them. And it got quite repetitive for us, and we also got really busy with our other parts of our business, such as this YouTube channel. We've been really working to grow this channel, and we're about to hit 20,000 subscribers, which is a major milestone for us. But I do have a Merch by Amazon update today for you guys, because I just logged in, and I log in pretty much daily, and I finally saw that we have access to the new quote-unquote Merch by Amazon bulk uploader. Now they're calling it Create Beta, and it's this new tab that they have within Merch by Amazon, and I haven't checked it out yet, and I want to just do my live reaction and check it out with you guys for the first time. So one of the pain points with doing print on demand and Merch by Amazon is that you have to upload each design to each different type of product to each different type of country. So if I had like a cat design and I wanted to put it on a t-shirt, then a hoodie, then a long sleeve tee or a premium t-shirt, I would need to upload those each individually. And then that would only be for .com, and then I'd have to go and do the same thing for the UK, and if you want to do it again, you have to do it again for Germany. And it was just pretty repetitive and, in my opinion, kind of boring and unfulfilling. So apparently they've created this new bulk uploader. Let's check it out now. I'm going to click on it on the tab here. Okay, so first thing I see is it says multiple products, parentheses beta, or single product. So let's see if the single product still looks the same, and then I'll go to the beta version. Okay, so that still looks the same. Let's go to the multiple products bulk uploader type thing. Now, other platforms do have a bulk uploader like Redbubble. You upload the design once, and then it goes on many different designs, and then you can tweak each one of them, and that actually made the process easier. Alright, so here's what it looks like right now. I can see that the premium t-shirt is kind of like grayed out right now. Not sure why. But, okay, we've got the standard t-shirt, v-neck t-shirt, tank top, that is cool, long sleeve, raglan, that's an interesting name, sweatshirt, and pullover hoodie. Alright, so I'm seeing this for the first time here, and then select products. Okay, when I click on that, it says here, we'll publish your design on select products and marketplaces. Oh, okay, so right now, looks like .com's got everything, and it's got all the stuff, and then UK and Germany so far only have just the standard t-shirt. But that's still cool that you can upload to all three basically at once. Okay, and if you want premium t-shirt, you need to physically go into select products, click it. Let's click continue and see. I'm sure that, okay, so now it's not grayed out like it was there in the beginning. I wonder why they do that. Why they don't automatically include the premium t-shirt. I actually haven't uploaded any premium t-shirts. I've always been the standard t-shirt. But let's scroll down here. Okay, so it says here, product details will be applied to Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk. So that's cool that it does the same .com and .uk in one go. So you need to fill in the brand, design, product features, and the description. Let's click the German tab here. Okay, so for the German tab, it's saying it's strongly encouraged to add all product details in the marketplace's language. So yeah, that was the thing with doing the German market was we were pretty much just sticking to .com and .co.uk because it took longer to translate everything properly and do the whole German thing. But, you know, now this might make it easier to get onto the German market if it's all, you know, like this. Like you can just switch the tabs. You didn't have to like open a bunch of new tabs because I really didn't like having, you know, all those tabs open. It looks like everything's here on one page. Okay, so let's see what happens when I click edit details. Oh, cool. This is cool so far. Okay, so it's going to tell me the dimensions, which was the 4500 by 5400. And then you can choose your colors, and then you can go and do that for the UK or Germany. So far, looking at it, I haven't used it yet. I'll probably create another video on actually using it, but firsthand looking at it looks pretty cool so far. I'm liking it. Let's do tank top. I'm just interested to see. I actually haven't seen tank top yet. Let's see what that looks like. Something just happened here. Okay, tank top. Okay, the dimensions are the same, 4500 by 5400, and they only have certain colors. Ooh, they have purple now. That's cool. That's my favorite color. Show you the royalty, and oh, okay, it's only on .com right now, right? Standard t-shirt's the only one that's available for the other countries. Awesome, so that's really cool. I just wanted to share this with you guys and show you what the new Merch by Amazon bulk uploader looks like. I have not tried it yet. I just literally just saw it for the first time here, and it looks cool. Like, I have to say that this is making me get excited for Merch by Amazon again because, to be honest, when doing things in life in general, I get bored if it's unfulfilling, if there's not much more substance to it. And this is just for me, like everyone's different and everyone has different way of feeling. And that's why I enjoy certain things like doing course creation or YouTube, or even doing like one-on-one YouTube coaching. Like that has been really fulfilling for us lately. And I just found myself when I was doing Merch by Amazon, like in the 2018, like near the end of 2018, and we were uploading for Q4, it was getting really repetitive and kind of boring, to be honest, you know, doing the exact same thing over and over again. Now, if you're totally into it and you're obsessed, by all means, go ahead. But I was not becoming obsessed anymore. And also, I didn't like how the uploading method was when I knew that on other platforms it was better and it was easier. So I have to admit, after seeing this, I am getting a little excited again, and I'm definitely going to play around with it and see, you know, how long it actually takes me to upload all these and then get it all going. Because you enter the details once here for all the designs you've uploaded here. So it's not like you're putting in the same details over and over for the t-shirt, for the v-neck, for the tank top, for this. It's like you enter it once. So I'm curious to see how long this takes. I will likely do a video on this. And if the workflow is good and I'm getting excited again, I'll probably want to really get into it again. But so far, it looks pretty good and I'm excited to try it out. So have you guys had access to this? Have you tried it out? What's it like? Do you like it? Do you not like it? I'm on tier 2000 right now and we just got access to it. I'm not sure if everyone has access now. I do know that they release these things on a per tier basis, so let me know if you guys have this as well. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.